I'm going to show you how you can download a YouTube video straight to your phone's gallery or to your laptop. That way you can access it offline later whenever you want, even without an internet connection. Very cool, right? So let's keep on watching. Now there are 3 ways to do this, and I'm going to be showing you all of the methods. So the first method is great for people that don't always have Wi-Fi around and you want to make sure that you can watch the video later even when there's no internet connection. So what you're going to do is to download the video for offline viewing within the YouTube app. So let's say I'm not sure I would have good data connection later in the day and I want videos that I can watch offline. So I would head to YouTube. The next thing is to find a video that you want to watch offline. So this video from Nathaniel Drew looks interesting. So one thing you can do is to click on these 3 little dots here, and in the options that come out, you're going to see download video. If you can click here to download the video, or another option is to click on that particular video. After waiting for the ads to play out, you can pause the video and then also swipe on this option here. Swipe till you see this option, download. Now if you click on this download button, you're going to see downloading, and the bottom of the screen you can click view. Then within your YouTube library, in the section of downloads, you're going to see that this video has downloaded. As you can see, that was very easy. Now even when I have my data on, I can still watch the YouTube video. The only disadvantage here is that you cannot comment. You can't use the app like you would if you have your data on, but at least you get to watch the video offline. Now with this second option, you can download the video straight to your phone's gallery. This is perfect maybe if you want to extract clips or audio from the video. Maybe you want to use it in your own editing, or you want to share it to your audience on social media. Now if you're going to be doing this, make sure that you're going to apply fair use in using another person's footage or audio, okay? So make sure you're doing this with discretion and discipline. So let's go. Okay, first of all, you want to open your YouTube app. You can also open it on the web browser, but I prefer the YouTube app. The next thing you want to do is to fetch the video that you want to download. Let's say search for dancing video. Let me click on this one. Now you want to pause the video and then you click on the share button. This will bring out a lot of options for you to share to other apps, but you want to click on copy link to get the link of the video. You want to exit YouTube, then go to your browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can use any browser. There are a lot of sites that you can use to download YouTube videos, but I prefer to use a site called Y2Mate. This is what the site looks like. On this option, you're going to paste the link of the video you just copied here and then click on this arrow. Why I love this site is that it brings out so many options for you to download the video in the quality that you like best. There is 180p, 720p, 480p, so many options. So you just click on the one that you want, click on download. It's going to take a while to process, and then you click on download MP4, and as you can see, the video downloads straight to your phone. If you go to your gallery, go to download. Now you can play your video offline and also use it in your editing. You can also do this on your laptop, whether it's a PC or your MacBook. It's the same process. Just copy the link to the video, go to one of these YouTube downloaders, paste the link, and you have the option to download it to your device in various sizes or formats. Another really cool feature of this site, which is actually what I mostly use it for, is to download just the audio versions of YouTube videos. So you copy the link to the video you want. So I found this philosophical quotes video from Alan Watts, and I just want to listen to it maybe as a podcast when I'm going about my daily chores. You see the option for video, and then you see the option for audio. If you click on audio, you're going to see that you have the option to download just the MP3 version of this video. You click on download. It's going to take a little while to convert. Just wait for it. Then you click on download MP3 and you see your MP3 or the audio version of the video is going to download to your music player. Now the third option is to simply record your screen as you are playing the video on your phone or on your laptop. The advantage of this is that it's very quick and easy to do. On iPhone, all you need to do is to swipe down your screen and then you can access your screen recorder. On Android, depending on the make, some come with inbuilt screen recorders like my Infinix phone, where you just swipe down also on the screen and you can access your screen recorder. On other phones, you might need to download a third-party screen recorder app like the XS screen recorder or any other of your choice. The disadvantage with this though is that the quality of the video and the audio is not always as good as if you just use the previous option where you just download the video straight to your device storage as it is. For example, if you're screen recording because you want the audio of the video, you want to use the audio, the screen recording may also pick the sound from your environment, and that will not really give you the best quality that you're looking for. So this option is quick and easy, but it's not always the great method when it comes to quality. Now you have 3 methods that you can use to download YouTube videos to your device so that you can watch it later without an internet connection. If you enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching. My name is Gloria, and in this channel I make videos like this to help you navigate technology, social media, and content creation. And as you can see, I don't waste your time, I go straight to the point. So consider subscribing to the channel. Even if you don't, please make sure to like this video. It helps YouTube recommend it to other people and it helps me know that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions at all, leave it in the comment section below. I will be sure to reply. Also, if you want more videos like this, then make sure to click on any of these videos right here. They are going to really help you out. Yes, I'll see you right there. Click on one of them, and thanks for watching again. Bye.